Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about certain important SEO KPIs which you can track as a part of your SEO journey. This video is very useful for clients who manages their SEO with some other SEO agencies, because this is very important for you guys to understand that there are certain statistics which is beyond keyword ranking that you must monitor. And at the same time, this video is also useful for SEO agency owners or SEO experts, so that you guys can be on top of your goal to make sure that your clients are happy and enjoying a proper return on investment. So let us first understand what KPI exactly means. So KPI basically stands for key performance indicators. Now these are some series of sets of parameters which are measurable, of course, and which determines what particular value each of them have with respect to your campaign. Now everyone knows that two most famous key performance indicators for justifying the success of an SEO campaign is keyword ranking and organic traffic, which is true because there is no doubt on that. Having the good organic ranking, keyword ranking, and also a good organic traffic forms the basic building block of every SEO parameters, but there is beyond to that. So few of the things are such as, the first one is the number of backlinks built versus the number of backlinks indexed. So the thing is, every SEOs build backlinks, they build hundred thousands of backlinks every single month. But the point is, if the backlinks are not indexed, there is no point of doing that, because if the crawlers are not finding the backlinks, the no link juice would pass onto the campaign, and this would really not provide any useful benefit to your campaign. So a proper ratio of the backlinks built versus the backlink indexed is very useful. This can determine what is the actual leverage on the off-page work provided by the SEO agency. Once again, for the SEO experts, focus on maximizing your backlink indexing. Build backlinks on less spam websites. Avoid spam directories or directory posting. Just focus on relevant backlink building websites and use ethical backlink building tactics as well. Now the second important thing is to measure the entire user journey. So bounce rate, exit percentage, these things are the primary source of the things that you can measure. But some of the other things which you can measure is to undergo a cohort analysis, see a conversion funnel, and see how the conversion funnel is working, in which pages customers are dropping off. The pages where customers are dropping off, you need to take some time and re-optimize those pages. You need to also focus on the cohort analysis as how the users are performing across multiple segments of your website, and there are a bunch of other parameters such as the heat maps, how much people have stayed onto the campaign, how much active viewable percentage, how much people have scrolled down a campaign, and there is much more. So it really depends upon niche versus niches and campaign versus campaign. But as an agency owner, make sure that you provide sufficient information about how the users are interacted with the campaign. User engagement is an important parameter, and for the clients, make sure that you get the user information from your vendors or SEO agency, how the users are interacting. If users comes and leaves your campaign without interacting, trust me, that SEO will not work. Now the next thing is that certain essential authority metrics like the domain authority, the domain rating, the page authority, the page ranking, how these things are playing an important effective area for your campaign. Because the thing is that a good SEO strategy can improvise on the domain authority. The more the domain authority, better would be the trust. A better trust can ignite a proper EAT signal or expert authority trust signal for your campaign, which is one of the important ranking factor. Apart from that, you need to be on top of the conversion. I know various people might be against this with me, that SEO and conversions are two separate things, but for me both are same. If your customers are landing on the page and they are leaving without doing an action like filling out a form or an inquiry or getting a code, that SEO is useless. One of the reasons is because of the fact that the purpose of SEO is to build conversion, and unless the conversion happens, there is no point of doing an SEO. So as a client, make sure that your SEO agency owners or the vendors or your providers submits your report of the conversions they have made with the help of their SEO, and at the same time, as an SEO agency, you must share a proper funnel report of the conversion to your client. I hope this video is meaningful and useful for you. Thanks for watching.